This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preparing the 5G hotspot and your 4G phone. Make sure the hotspot has an active data plan and is charged or plugged in. Once done, open the hotspot settings and create a clear SSID and a strong WPA2 or WPA3 password so devices can connect securely. Make sure the hotspot is broadcasting in 4 GHz or dual-band mode for compatibility with older 4G phones, and take note of APN and band settings before moving on. Now connect the 4G phone, turn Wi-Fi on and forget competing networks so the hotspot appears first. Once you see the hotspot SSID, choose it and enter the password exactly. If the hotspot offers separate 4 GHz and 5 GHz names, pick 4 GHz for best compatibility. After connecting, verify the phone received an IP via DHCP and that no manual proxy is set. Then load a basic web page to confirm DNS and routing are working before proceeding to optimization. Finish by validating the connection. Run a speed test and open several sites to confirm throughput and latency. If performance or connectivity is poor, reboot both hotspot and phone, switch the hotspot band between 4 GHz and dual band, and make sure firmware and carrier settings are up to date. If problems persist, reset the phone's network settings or verify your hotspot's plan and APN. Contacting your carrier is the last step to resolve provisioning or compatibility issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.